Blow kisses.
Can you say Angie?
Angie.
Say
it. Angie.
Can you say thank you?
Can you say, I want to play with that toy?
Say thank you.
Thank you. Can you say Angie?
Tell Angie, what does the monkey say? What does the snake say? What does the bear say? What does the sheep say? What does the kitty say?
That's not what the kitty says.
What does the kitty say?
That's better.
What does the puppy say? What does the lion say? What does the frog say? What does the ninja say? What does the bird say? Tweet, tweet.
Turkey? Sounds like you said turkey. What's a dog say?
Ruff,
Ruff, ruff.
Oh, what's the pig say?
Tell Angie what the pig says.
What's the pig say?
She's winking at me.
Oh, is that winking? What's the pig say?
Alexis, tell Angie what the pig says. Tell her.
What's the pig say? That is so funny.
What does the fish do? Good job. What about the bear? What does the bear say? Let me hear. What does the bear say? Good job.
It's Angie's phone. You have to ask Angie.
Angie, please.
What's the phone say? Can you say Angie,
Where's my
please?
phone?
Please?
She has to talk on the phone here. Not talking. You're going to call.
Let me lock it.
Okay.
Oh yes, because she will push all the buttons.
Can you talk on the phone?
Say hello.
What do you say?
I said thank you. Tell Angie thank you.
Hello.
You can go talk.
Say hello.
She likes to walk around and talk.
We need to get her like a
Hello.
play cell phone. Maybe one.
Down, down.
She's
Just to
talking.
get
Now listen to
down.
her talk.